How to refresh quick add on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Now, once you're in the home page or the camera page of Snapchat, the easiest way to access the quick add tab is to tap on your icon or the emoji here on the upper left corner of the screen. Your profile page will then show, and from here, scroll down until you see the Friends tab. Click on the Add Friends button, and in here you will see the quick add. To remove someone in the list, simply click on the X icon beside that user and just choose the other reason. After doing this, just scroll down your screen downwards, and as you can see, a face of the Snapchat logo will appear. And once this winking face turns into a shocked face, let go of the screen, and as you can see, the quick add list changed. Do this repeatedly and the page will refresh every time. So that is how to refresh quick add on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.